I'm very pleased to finally present the ukulele playing machine accompanied by Victoria the singing automaton. When's your next rendition, Victoria?
Thank you for your inquiry. Sadly, I am unaware of the time of my next performance, as Mr. Steamhead has failed to impart the necessary information. Despite having taken him years to get me working, his shortcomings sadly remain only too obvious. I would suggest asking Mr. Steamhead directly. Please accept my sincere apologies.
When are you singing again, Victoria?
Thank you for your inquiry. My next musical rendition will take place at 2 o'clock this afternoon. I sincerely hope you can attend. Now I go cleaning windows to earn an honest bob. For a nosy Parker, it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you could see what I can see when I'm cleaning windows. Honeymooning couples too. You should see them fill and coo. You'd be surprised at things they do. When I'm cleaning windows in my profession, I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning windows, the chambermaid, sweet names I call. It's a wonder I don't fall. My mind's not on my work at all. When I'm cleaning windows, I know a fella, such a swell. He has a thirst that's plain to tell. I've seen him drink his bath as well. When I'm cleaning windows, oh, in my profession, I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. Pajamas lying side by side, ladies' nighties I have spied. I've often seen what goes inside when I'm cleaning windows. Now there's a famous talky queen. She looks a flapper on the screen. She's more like 80 than 18. When I'm cleaning her hair all down behind, then pulls down up, never mind, and after that pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning windows in my profession, I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. An old maid walks around the floor, she's so fed up. One day I'm sure she'll drag me in and lock the door. When I'm cleaning windows